start using some contour and highlight. I love this new palette. This is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour. So we're going to use this one today. And I'm actually going to talk through this one just a little bit to go in a little more detail on contouring. I like to apply my contour and my highlight using this brush from Billion Dollar Brows. So it's just a sculpted angled brush. Any angled brush would really work for the contour. So I like to use this thicker angled end to contour, and then I like to use this really thin one to add in some highlight. But I do also use this thin one to help contour around my nose as well, just because it's much easier to blend it in with this smaller brush and to be more precise than to try to do your nose with this one. So I do like to use this for the contour as well in the tinier places where I don't need a big brush, but then I will wash it sometimes and I will use this one as a highlight as well. So first things first, when you contour, we want to go to the places where the shadows would typically hit your face. So I'm going to actually use the lightest one in this palette. This is the light contour, so I'm going to be using this one here. So we're just going to take a little bit of this light contour. Now, we want to try to not actually go straight down the face. You can see where my cheekbones naturally are, so we're going to highlight that, but we're also going to actually just kind of swoop inwards here. That way you can start to sculpt your face a little bit more instead of creating a harsh diagonal going straight down your face. Just like that. So you can see I already added in a nice contour there, so it complements where the shadows would naturally hit. We're going to do the same on the other side. Okay, so with a couple strokes there, we have the cheeks complete. Next up, we're going to put a little bit under my jawline. So we're going to use that same light contour. We're just going to go in and brush this in lightly on my jawline. And then we're also going to go in and we're just going to go really light right above where my hairline is, just to blend this in. Again, nothing too heavy. We are still going for a very light, classic look for summer. So then we're actually going to go in and we're going to start to go for the nose. Now, there's a couple different ways people like to do it. We're just going to try it this way today. So I'm just going to, again, I'm switching to the skinnier tip. Now I'm actually going to start, and I'm going to start right underneath my eyebrows. And I'm going to actually move in from there. And I will blend this out more as I go along. So you're just going to go right along the nose, the bone. We're going to curve around through the tip. Make sure to get the tip of your nose. Get a little bit more. We're going to go in on the other side. Right along the nose. Again, that bone there, just go right along the side. A little just around the tip of the nose. And now we're just going to blend that out a little bit more. So we're just going to really go in there and just really blend it out. Don't want to have a really strong line there. This is supposed to look natural and blend in. So there is just a nice light nose contour. You can see more from the front the difference that it makes. One of my favorite brushes to use for a highlight, if I'm not using that thinner one on that other brush, is just a nice fan brush. I have had this Eyes Lips Face fan brush for, I can't even tell you how long, but it's my go-to and we're going to use it. So again, we're going to go in for this light highlight. I just feel like this is the best one for me. Just get enough on there. We're going to go through the nose here. We're going to go up higher on the cheekbones. We're going to go right above the lip. I like to do that right above the lip. And I'm just going to go in with my finger just a little bit under my brows. I did already put some eyeshadow there to brighten it up. We're just going to put a little bit of highlight, because why not? And there we go. If you want to add more, you always can. The highlight should go where the sun would naturally hit your face. So those are the places where you want to add the highlight in. And here we have it, the finished look. Thank you so much for watching and joining along with me today. To see the full tutorial on this summertime look, head to my IGTV or my website.